Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide or show a widget based on user status login logout in Elementor without using any external plugin or add-ons. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. Now go to Elementor header and then you see login logout button. So we are going to show logout button for login user and we are going to show login button for logout user. So we will do this without using add-ons. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. So click on install. Then click on activate it. So plugin is activated now. Scroll down, on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see add CSS class for login and logout user. If user login, then we can use this class to hide widget based on user status, and then you see class logout condition. So we are going to use these both class login condition and logout condition, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Scroll down, you see insert method auto insert, location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. On left side you see appearance and then you see customize. So open it. So we are going to add CSS. Now go to Elementor header and then you see both button, login button and logout button. So we are going to hide logout button for logout user. So we are going to hide login button for login users. Now click on login button and then you see advanced. So click on it. Now we are going to add CSS class. So you can add CSS class name according to your requirement. So we added CSS class hidelogin. Now click on logout button and again go to advanced and then you see CSS classes. So we added hidelogout class. So we added CSS class in login and logout button and then click on update. Now update done. Go to customize section. And then you see additional CSS, so click on it and then scroll down. We are going to add CSS. Now go to code again. Now you see is user login. For user login we are using this CSS class. Now copy login condition and go to customize CSS section. Now paste dot login condition and then we will add our CSS class for login button. So we added hidelogin and then bracket start and then display none and then we add important. Now click on publish. So we hide login button for login user. Now publish done. Now go to website page. You see both button. So after refresh, login button hide. Now click on refresh. Now you see login button hide. Now copy URL. Open website again. Now you see both button. So for logout user, we are going to hide this logout button. Now close. Back to code. Now you see logout condition. Copy this and go to CSS section again. Now add dot paste logout condition and then we are going to add CSS class we added in logout button. Hide logout bracket start display none and then important and then click on publish. You will find all code and CSS class in video description or in comment section. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you only see logout button. Copy URL. Now open again. Now you only see login button. So click on it. So in this way you can hide or show widgets for different user status by using custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.